Looking for a powerful solution to repair OST files? If yes, download the BitRecover OST Repair Wizard software designed with special features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. First of all, read all the information mentioned in the software starting window. Once agree, tap on the Next button. Here, we choose the Select File mode to browse OST files manually on your system and then click on Open button. User can also check the Select Folder mode to upload a complete OST folder from the system and tap on Select Folder button. Here we are choosing the corrupted OST file from the saved location and click on Open button. Now click on the Next button to continue the process. After this, the software analyzes the chosen OST folder and then lists all the file in the software folder. Now, user need to mark the checkbox of required corrupted OST file. Tap on Next to continue the process. Go to the Saving option and select the PST option to fix the corrupted OST file. If you have a multiple user, you can create a PST file per user. You can also split your PST file 2 GB, 5 GB, 10 GB. Go to the folder-like icon and choose the destination path of Repair OST file. Click on Repair button to start the process. Conversion completed successfully. Trial version repaired 25 emails per folder. The software automatically opens the resultant location and get the repaired OST file.